Hi, in the last lesson we created a device, but also passed in some info for creating queues. We also need to get the newly created queues somehow. This is what we are going to do in this lesson. So let's go to the header file and create a new field called graphicsQueue of the VK queue type. And I've been putting no pointer for these members here, but I will now introduce the correct type that Vulkan uses for this. It is called VK no handle. Behind the scenes, it is still a null pointer, by the way, but in some cases it might be defined differently. Since the member list starts to grow, I will also start organizing the members by topic. So back to getting the queues. Here, where we created the device, we can call vk-getDeviceQueue and pass in the logical device. We can also get the queue family index from the queue info object that we initialized above. Then we pass the index of the queue from that family that we want. We only requested one queue, so it's the 0 index. And finally, we pass in the member field address where we want the queue to be passed on. We can build and run this to check for any validation errors, and there are none. We don't need to delete the device queue specifically in the destructor. They're created and destroyed through the logical device. This concludes the device section. We will get back to later to initialize the presentation queue as well though.